Welcome to the Momentum Mindset. Today we're diving into the Millionaire Master Plan by Roger Hamilton, an incredibly practical, step-by-step guide for building wealth based on who you are and where you are financially. Let's begin. Chapter 1, The Wealth Lighthouse. Roger Hamilton visualizes your journey to wealth as a lighthouse with 9 distinct levels. Each level represents a stage of financial growth, from deep struggle to lasting legacy. And the key: you can't skip levels. You have to climb them, one step at a time. Let's break them down. 1. Infrared. You're in debt, struggling to make ends meet. 2. Red. Living paycheck to paycheck. 3. Orange. You can cover your expenses, but you're stuck. No savings, no security. 4. Yellow. Some savings and investments, but still dependent on active income. 5. Green. You've got steady cash flow from a business or investments. 6. Blue. Surplus income, growing faster than your expenses. 7. Indigo. Complete financial freedom. Passive income covers your entire lifestyle. 8. Violet. You're creating a significant impact with your wealth. 9. Ultraviolet. You're building a legacy, philanthropy, global change. That's your focus. Each level requires a different mindset, a new approach. Skip steps, and you risk falling right back down. Chapter 2, Wealth Dynamics. Find your natural path. Not everyone builds wealth the same way. That's why Hamilton created Wealth Dynamics, a system that identifies 8 personality-based wealth profiles. These are: 1. Creator, the visionary, always innovating. Think Steve Jobs. 2. Star, the charismatic brand, like Oprah Winfrey. 3. Supporter, a natural leader, managing people with ease. 4. Dealmaker, born to negotiate and connect. 5. Trader, great at spotting trends and timing the market. 6. Accumulator, steady, methodical, focused on long-term investments. 7. Lord, detail-oriented, excels in managing assets and cash flow. 8. Mechanic system builder. Think Jeff Bezos. Why does this matter? Because when you align your wealth strategy with your personality, everything flows easier. A creator shouldn't act like a trader. A star shouldn't build like a lord. You don't need to be everything. You just need to be you. If you're finding this helpful so far, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss a thing. Stay tuned for my next video, Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. Let's keep going. Chapter 3, Your Personalized Path to Wealth. And Hamilton outlines 3 steps to building wealth that actually works for you. Step 1, know where you are. Find your current level on the Wealth Lighthouse. If you're in red, survival mode, your priority isn't investing. It's stabilizing your income. Step 2, know who you are. Identify your wealth profile. A star? Build your brand. A lord? Manage assets. Know your strengths and lean into them. Step 3, take the right actions for your level. Here's how it breaks down. Infrared and red, focus on budgeting, reducing debt, and creating stability. Orange and yellow, grow your income. Start small with investments. Green and blue, optimize cash flow, build passive income, and scale smartly. Indigo and beyond, mentor others. Create your legacy. Key takeaways. Let's recap the most powerful lessons from this book. 1. Wealth is a journey. You can't leap ahead. Take one step at a time using the Wealth Lighthouse framework. 2. Know thyself. The path to wealth becomes clearer and faster when it's aligned with your personality. 3. Cash flow is king. Don't even think about big investments until your cash flow is solid. 4. Use leverage. You don't have to do it all alone. Build systems, work with teams. 5. Avoid one-size-fits-all advice. What works for a trader might ruin a creator. Learn your profile, then build your plan. The Millionaire Master Plan isn't just another wealth-building book. It's a personalized blueprint. It helps you identify where you are financially and who you are naturally, so you can follow the right steps to grow. No skipping, No shortcuts, just the right actions at the right time for the right person. And that's a wrap on this audiobook. Thanks for spending your time with me. I truly appreciate it. If you found value here, be sure to like, follow, and subscribe to support the channel and stay inspired. Share this with someone who needs it and drop a comment with your biggest takeaway. I'd love to hear from you. And what if everything you were taught about money was wrong? In the next video, we break down the life-changing lessons from Rich Dad, Poor Dad, the book that shattered financial myths and rewired how millions think about wealth. Watch this before your next paycheck. Until next time, stay consistent and keep building momentum. This is the Momentum Mindset signing off.